Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm very grateful having you guys here on my channel. Today is all about these bubble braids using Marley hair, and I'll be showing you guys step by step as usual as what I normally do. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, welcome, feel at home. It's your girl Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any new video every time when I upload. Also, don't forget to share with your loved one, friends, family member you wish they can know how to do their hair by their own. I just started by dividing my hair. In today's video, I'll not use gel. I'll just do a tutorial without gel because I received some comments. People, they are like, can you do any tutorial without using gel? So in today's video, I decided to do this. And after I part my hair, I do cornrows. You may decide to do either cornrow or you may do twists. Just do something simple and easy for you to achieve. Before I braid, I separate my natural hair into three and then I start braid. And the section I'm doing here, no small section, I just decided to do a quick tutorial. So I do big sections, but you may decide either to go with more smaller section. But if you do more small section, it means you crochet more hair. So after I split my hair into three and then I take right side, I start cornrows, but you may decide either to take left or you take middle. Just do any way because cornrow, no formula. You just do anything you feel is good for you or anything that works for you. And after I braid for several steps, then I put the sections together and I continue do twists. Why I do twists at the end? Because I don't want to take so long to remove these cornrows, so I just decide to do twist at the end so that when I want to take down, I can pull the hair and the hair will unravel. Just do something simple and easy. If you don't know how to do cornrow or flat twists, you may use rubber band to secure the hair from the roots so that you can hold the hair well, and then you can go ahead and crochet it. Not very necessary to cornrow or to do flat twist. It's just kind of doing things easy. As I normally said, we are doing something simple and easy, something you can do it well. So here I almost done on sections my hair, and this is how the hair looks. You may see I didn't do small section, I do big section. So the next I use Marley hair. I ordered this hair online, but this hair not any logo or any tags show that which hair it is, but this is Marley hair. And I also use rubber band and a crochet needle. Each section I use 2 pieces of Marley hair. I make sure both sides they're even, and then I roll mid of this hair so that I can crochet well without stuck. So after I crochet, I make sure I pull the hair well. Again, I make sure the hair they are even. Then I take one piece and I start wrapping. When I am wrapping, I'm very gentle. I'm not wrapping too tight because, oh my goodness, this hair is very painful if you wrap too tight. So after I wrap like 3 times, I take rubber band and I start secure with rubber band. The distance from one bubble to another, depending on how big you want your bubble to be, you may decide either to do more smaller or a little big. So every time after I finish put bubble, I pull the hair a little up to make my bubble look more bigger, and then I jump to another section. If you are worried like how can you do bubble, you may use your finger. You may use your finger to measure the distance from one bubble to another. And after you do several braids, then you no need to measure, because at that time you already know the distance. But every time after I finish tie, I pull all the section a little up to make the bubble look bigger. So like this one total I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one section I use 8 rubber band. You must prepare a little more rubber band, because when I am secure this hair, I find some rubber band breaks. So if you don't have excess rubber band, you'll find you cannot make this hairstyle, because some rubber band they break, not strong enough. And in this hairstyle we are using so much rubber bands, so you have to prepare more so that you can make this hairstyle. So after I secure the first section with rubber band, I make sure I tag my hair in, especially when your hair is short. I make sure I tag my hair in before I start make the first bubble. And when I pull hair out, I make sure I put my hair in and I pull hair out so that my natural hair will be in and will not show out. And then I continue with other bubbles. This style is one of the easiest style I ever do here in my channel. This style, oh my god, I spend more time to section my hair, but after I finish section, this hair is very easy. No matter you know how to braid or you don't know how to braid, I think this style is best for anyone who know how to braid or you don't know how to braid. Let me know in comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle, guys? I really wish to hear from you if you rock out with this hairstyle or not. Up to this point, I use 2 packs of Marley hair, and this hair is very light. If you are wondering like this hair might be too heavy, no honey, this hair is very light. To avoid going down and up, I decide to put several rubber bands on my index finger so that I can pull and secure, and I find this is more easy than every time pick rubber band from down and secure, pick and secure. And here I almost done with this hairstyle, guys. This is the last section. When you finish secure with rubber band, don't forget to pull a little out your hair so that your bubble can be a little bigger. So here I'm done, and I'll go ahead and trim off all the ends and make the hair looks even so that this hair can look more beautiful. So take your time, just cut all the excess hair. And guys, this is how the hair looks like after I finish trim. So I'll go ahead and add some accessories. This is completely optional, but I just want to spice up a little this hairstyle. So I accessorize my braids. And guess what, guys? This is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and share as much as you can. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon on my next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.